Hey guys, it's Shannon. So we're still working on this kitchen remodel. We have a few extra things left to do, but we are getting down to the last bit of it, and it's time to accessorize, which is my favorite part. I did a shopping spree for accessories at Marshall's, Home Goods, and TJMaxx, as well as Walmart. So I wanted to show you the great things that I found to add to our remodeled kitchen. And I also have a quick DIY for you, Rae Dunn style. So stay tuned for that, but let's get started with the haul. All right, so I am just going to sort of walk you around the room. I've separated everything off by stores so you can see where I got each thing from, and then I'll insert prices as I go along. This first little bit right here is from Marshall's. This is a new cooking mitt and hot pad from Cuisinart, I believe is how you say it. This was on clearance, so that was a great find. I wanted a new scrubby brush, and I liked that this was wood because obviously you guys know I do a lot of woodworking. This is also for the sink, and instead of letting things like this and your sponges sit in the bottom of your sink to dry, this goes on the side of your sink and suctions on so that you can let your sponges and things like that drip dry. Also a new salt and pepper set. So those are the things that I got from Marshall. And next are the things that I got from TJMaxx. This was really cute. It was also on clearance. It is an apron. So really cute and farmhouse style, and it was a great price, so I couldn't pass that up. Next, TJMaxx is where I found my big Rae Dunn item haul, and I'll insert that picture here. If you guys aren't following me over on Instagram, you can find me at TheDailyDIYer, and I kind of share these kinds of things over there. And I picked up 2 new mugs for my collection, Yum and Mama Bear. So I was excited about those and that find at TJMaxx. And then I also got this new candle. It is called Fireside, and I really just liked the color of it, that it was neutral and gray and kind of matched the counters, and it also has that nice wood top, but it smells so good. It's sort of like a spiced cinnamon sort of smell, but it's a great scent for fall, so I really loved that. Also a new basket. I liked this one. I wanted something to put by the back door that we could put keys and things in, and I like that this is kind of narrow so it doesn't take up a lot of the counter space, and it's long and sort of the perfect size for where I need it for. So that was my haul from TJMaxx. And then over here is my Walmart goodies, and I'll start with these. You can get these at Walmart. I actually already had these, but I brought them upstairs so I could use them for my sugar and flour, but they still have these at Walmart if you're interested in those. And then a new coffee scoop. We didn't have one that was actually made for coffee. We were just using a regular scoop, so that was really inexpensive. Also a really inexpensive pair of scissors, just so we had a fresh pair to use in the new kitchen. And then I found these great knives. Not only are they beautiful, they kind of have a like gold copper look, and the handles look like wood. They're actually rubber, so they don't slip out of your hands, and they also have covers on them. So I didn't want to do a knife block in here with a little one. I just didn't like the idea of the knives being on the counter, so I like that we can put these away and off the counter. Also a new set of cookie sheets. These are a set of 3. These were really inexpensive and we needed a new set, so those were from Walmart. And last are these pot scrubbers. My daughter liked them because they're that copper color, and I really like them too, so we went ahead and grabbed those. So that's everything that I got from Walmart. And last, moving over here, is what I found at Home Goods. This was something I was definitely looking for. I wanted something to put in the corner that I could put different things on and protect our new counters. And I found this perfect sized little tray that's metal and wood combo, which is of course my favorite. And to go along with that, I found this really thick, heavy cutting board, which also has this metal handle at the top. So again, with the wood and metal combo, so this not only will be pretty on the countertops, but it will also get used Next are these wooden spoons. We needed some new ones. And then a new set of metal kitchen utensils. Also a new set of kitchen towels. I really like this set because it came with 5 towels and each towel has a different look to it. So it's kind of just a fun, nice new set of kitchen towels that I can hang off of the sink and off of the stove. And next I was looking for a plain white crock that I could put on this tray to hold the kitchen utensils. So I found this one. This is just a sticker on the front that comes off that says made in Portugal, so that won't stay on there. But I like that this was just plain and neutral and will look nice on the tray. All right, so this is super easy to do. And if you don't have a vinyl cutter, I will actually have these decals available in my Etsy shop, which is at crossinmyheart.com. And so you can just purchase those there and apply them. But if you do have a vinyl cutter, I'm gonna walk you through this whole process so you can see how I created these. So I already have my design cut. I actually use a silhouette cameo. If you have a cameo, the settings that I like to use for vinyl is blade 3, speed 10, and force 10. And that seems to cut my vinyl perfect every time. And I'm actually using Oracle 651 in a matte black for this. And so since my design's already cut, I'm gonna go ahead and weed it. I used the font, the Skinny, for this, and I did bold it because I wanted it to stand out nicely on my container. And you can create these any size that you would like depending on your container size. Mine are 3 inches wide by about 2.5 inches tall. And that seems to fit these canisters really nicely from Walmart. Next, I'm gonna be using a transfer tape. If you purchase these from my Etsy shop, this will already be included if you're creating your own. I use the Duck brand contact paper from Walmart, and I just always have. I have a whole video on why I like this and prefer this. And I will link that video down in the description box below so you can go check that out. So I'm just removing the contact paper and I'm gonna stick it to my counter a couple times just to get a little bit of the sticky off before I apply it to the top of my vinyl here. And then I just take my squeegee and make sure to flatten this all out and take my scissors and cut them apart. So now in my Etsy shop, you will get all 3 of these in the set. So sugar, flour, and coffee. Of course, if you're creating your own, you can make them say whatever you would like. I have 2 containers, so I'm going to use the sugar and flour, and I'm debating whether I want to go back to Walmart and get another one of these canisters and create one for our coffee to go in. So whether you purchase these or you make these yourself, I always make sure to rub my squeegee over them to make sure that the vinyl transfers to the transfer sheet really well and comes off all at once. And then you just apply it on your canister where you want it. I want mine centered, which I'm sure most people probably do too. You really want to be careful with these because the vinyl sticks to glass really well. So you kind of get one shot to get it right because it's really hard to remove after it's in place. So once you have this on, you take your squeegee and run it back over the vinyl areas. Make sure you get out all the air bubbles, and then you can remove this top sheet. And it's just as simple as that to personalize your own canisters. I love doing little projects like this. It's those simple touches that really make your space personalized and one of a kind. Don't forget you can find those decals, like I said, in my Etsy shop, which I will have linked down in the description box below. Thank you all so much for watching this tutorial and shopping haul. I hope you'll give this video a thumbs up. You can also share this with your friends and family and inspire them too. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I do DIY tutorials every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. You can hit the bell as well so that you get notified when my videos do go live. And I want to thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye guys.